In today's video, I'm going to show you 11 useful features that you need to know about your Tesla, and I'm starting right now. And the first feature that I want to share with you that is so cool is that you can actually share addresses from your phone right to your Tesla. That's right, you don't have to get in the car and start fumbling around trying to type into the car's GPS. So if I would just open up my Tesla app, you can do it through the app, or you can actually do it through your phone's GPS. So I'm going to open up the app real quick and just say we want to go to Mercedes-Benz Stadium, and from here I'm going to click on send to the car. And whenever I get inside of the car, it's going to take us to Mercedes-Benz Stadium, or I'm going to open up my maps here on my iPhone, and it works on Android as well. And from here, I'm going to go in and just say put in Mercedes-Benz Stadium. And from here again, I'm going to click on send to car. So after I selected the Tesla, I went on and sent it over to the Tesla. And let's go on and get inside of the car. Opening up the car door here. And as you can see, it should actually say, oh, look, it's routing. And now it is taking us to the Mercedes-Benz Stadium here in Atlanta. And you also can sync the calendar on your phone right to your Tesla. Just say if you have a doctor's appointment, you put it in on your calendar. Whenever you get inside of your car on that day, it can be a month from now. On the GPS, it will navigate you right to that doctor's appointment. And any other dates, you can pull up the calendar in your car to see what's on your phone. That's very convenient. And another great useful feature about your Tesla is preheating and pre-cooling your car. You can do that right through the app, or you can also schedule it in the app or right here inside of the car as well. And that way you don't have to even remember that you need to preheat and pre-cool. So if you have to leave every day, like here at 11:15, it will already be done every day at 11:15. So you get to choose the weekdays or the weekends. And unfortunately, the world we live in today, you need security. And this is one great thing about your Tesla, and I'm talking about the sensory footage on this car. So your Tesla is equipped with cameras. Up here, you have 3 cameras in the dash. Right here on the fender, you have on the B-pillar here, you have another camera. And of course, you have a camera that's back here, and it's the same on the passenger side as well. And the great thing is it saves it on your car, and you can pull up footage from anything that you need, and also with dash cam footage. And not only can you just see the footage inside of the car and save to the flash drive that's on board in your glove box, you can also see this on your phone in real time. So I'm going to pull up my live camera here. And right now you see that the car flash, so people know like now you're on screen. So you can get in front of the car, behind the car, on the side of the car, and as you can see here, you can see. And this is so cool. I'm going to take off my mic real quick. I'm going to put it under the car because you can actually talk to the car. So I'm going to put my mic over here, and now watch this. Make sure you subscribe. And you get like that sci-fi sound with the car. So it is so cool. The security features that you have on your car, you can locate the car, you can blow the horn. It's so much that you can do right through the app dealing with the security of the car. And the one pedal driving is an underrated feature that's amazing, and it does take some time to get used to. With this feature, it allows the driver to control acceleration and regenerative braking with one single pedal, which actually simplifies the driving experience. When you press the accelerator pedal, the car accelerates. But look here, when you release it, the car begins to slow down and decelerate. And this actually is what you call regenerative braking, because now it is recharging the battery. And this will also save the brakes on your car, so you don't have to put as many brakes on your Tesla, and it will also maximize your range. And the Tesla mobile app is another useful and great feature that comes with the car. Essentially, the things that you can do inside of the car, you can now do on your phone. You can do things like the controller, the climate control. Look at the location, the real live location of the car. You can see how fast it's going, what the person is listening to on the radio. I know it sounds stalkerish, but there is so much that you can do. You can schedule your depart time. You can control your charging, security, the charging stats. It will pretty much tell you how much money that your car is using, how much energy your car is using whenever you're charging elsewhere and also at home. You can control the upgrades. You can also schedule service right through the mobile app and roadside assistance. And check this out, because this is another great benefit of Tesla, and we're talking about the phone key. All of this is through the app, where essentially your phone is now your key, so you don't have to worry about any more dreaded keys. So watch this. As I approach the car will unlock and I will be able to get in. So this is the phone key. The car was locked. Now it is unlocked. As I walk away from the car, it's going to lock again. So this is so cool. So watch this. I'm moving away from the car. Now the car locked. I'm not sure if you heard it because my microphone is here. So the car is now locked again. So you don't have to worry about, did I lock the car? Is the car unlocked? As long as you have your phone on and the Bluetooth is set, it will unlock and lock with the car. And this is a great feature whenever it's hot outside, cold outside, and you're getting out of the car very quickly, or if you have a pet in the car, you can keep the temperature in your car. So all you do is come down here on the bottom. I'm going to swipe up, and over here you have the options where it says keep, and now it will keep the temperature here. Or if you have dog mode, and the cool thing with dog mode is it says my driver will be back. Don't worry, the AC is on and it's 73 degrees Fahrenheit. So now you can actually go run in the grocery store, run in the bank, wherever you need to go, and your car will maintain the temperature it was whenever you were driving the car. And this next feature is very useful, and I could not imagine my Tesla without it, and I am talking about Autopilot. Driving with Autopilot, especially on a road trip, you don't know how much energy it takes out of you until you drive with Tesla's Autopilot. Now, to activate Autopilot, you're going to press down the right drive stalk 2 times. And from there, you're going to hear a beep. Now you're in Autopilot. And Autopilot is a combination of different features. You do have your adaptive cruise control that will speed up and slow down with traffic and the traffic around you. And it will also keep the car centered in its lane. So essentially the car is driving itself. I'm not going to say it's driving, but it's pretty darn close to driving itself. Now, here's a useful feature for you. Have you ever had those times that you're out on the town and you don't know how to get home? So therefore, you have to go to your GPS, type in your home address. In a Tesla, you don't have to do that. So I'm going to flip the camera around real quick. All you have to do is come over here to the navigate bar, take your finger, you can scroll down and it will navigate you home, or you can scroll over and it will still navigate you home. And if you're already at home and you are about to go to work, the only thing you need to do is repeat that process, because the GPS location will already tell the Tesla that it's at home, and it will automatically navigate you to your job. Now, this is a useful feature. It doesn't come standard with your Tesla. It is a small upgrade on your Tesla, but it is so worth it and so useful. And I'm talking about HomeLink. So with the HomeLink with GPS location, it is so convenient, because every time I pull up to my house, my garage door will automatically open as I'm pulling up to the house. And as I'm leaving, whenever I hit the end of my driveway, the garage door will automatically close. Voice command is another useful feature that comes standard with every Tesla. It's like Google Home or Amazon Echo, any of those smart devices. You can do the same thing inside of your car to make your driving experience even easier. We're going to come over here to the right scroll wheel. We're just going to press it. Turn on the AC. Now the AC is on. Or you can come over here and say, open the glove box. Then I'm just going to enter in my PIN real quick. And from there, the glove box will open. Unfortunately, you're gonna have to close it the old-fashioned way. So a lot of the features that your car can do, even with the windshield wiper, there is so much that your voice commands can do, and I show you all about that in the video right over there, where I go over 18 voice commands that you need to know about your Tesla. So make sure you subscribe, and that way you don't miss any updates, tips, and tricks about your Tesla, the in and outs and all of that. And I will see you in the next video.